Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start in Messages because Memoji integrates directly with your chats. Open a conversation and tap the app drawer, then the Animoji monkey. Once there, tap the plus button to create a new Memoji or choose an existing one to edit. You do this now so you can capture facial movement instantly. Make sure Face ID or front camera access is enabled. This first step gets your base avatar ready, letting you control appearance before recording expressions or sending stickers. Now customize your Memoji by selecting skin tone, hairstyle, and head shape. Use sliders and color pickers to match closely. Once done with the basics, move through eyes, brows, nose, and mouth. These change how expressions read. Then add accessories like glasses, hats, or piercings for character. Make sure to toggle features like freckles or facial hair to fine-tune realism. You're doing this so the Memoji reflects your identity and performs the same facial cues when you record or use live stickers. Finish by recording an Animoji message. Align your face, tap the red record button, and send the clip. Alternatively, tap stickers to send static expressions or choose your Memoji in FaceTime as a live filter. Once sent, make sure recipients see motion. If things look off, reopen Memoji and tweak facial features or lighting. If tracking fails, clean the front camera lens, move to brighter light, and confirm camera permission for Messages and FaceTime. This usually fixes jitter or unresponsive tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.